Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the colorful and creative world of Canva, a tool that's redefining design for everyone, from beginners to pros. Let's unlock your inner designer and explore some cool tips to get you started on your design journey. First up, understanding the basics. Canva is a graphic design platform that's all about making design accessible. Whether you need to create a presentation, a flyer, or even social media graphics, Canva has got you covered. Now, why Canva, you ask? Well, it's user-friendly with a drag-and-drop interface that makes designing as easy as pie. You don't need any fancy software or skills to start creating amazing designs. Let's jump into creating your first project. Start by choosing a template. Canva has thousands to choose from. Whether you're looking to design a birthday card or a business brochure, there's a template for that. Once you've chosen, it's all about making it your own. You can change the images, adjust the fonts, and tweak the colors, all with just a few clicks. Here's a tip. Keep an eye on alignment. Canva's built-in alignment tools help ensure everything on your canvas is perfectly balanced. This can be the difference between your design looking professional or a bit off. So don't overlook this simple step. Next, let's talk about Canva's design elements. You can add shapes, stickers, frames, and even videos to your designs. Experiment with these to add that extra flair to your projects. Remember, sometimes less is more, so don't go overboard. And for those of you looking to bring your designs to life, Canva allows animations. With just a click, you can animate text and elements, making your design not just beautiful, but also interactive. Lastly, once you're happy with your creation, Canva makes it super simple to share. Whether you're printing your design or sharing it online, Canva supports numerous formats to make your life easier. All right, that's a wrap on our quick dive into Canva. Remember, the key to great design is to keep experimenting. Every design you create teaches you something new, so keep at it. Unlock your inner designer and let your creativity flow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.